We have just got a great deal for you, $14.99 today only. We do that, and we do that because it's just a win-win. $14.99 today only, these 6 fabrics. This has got great drape, stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, and just pretty. Just really pretty. It's a navy, it's got a little silver dot running all through it. And it's just a really pretty fabric. Feels amazing. Great drape. Any top would be beautiful. This is reversible. This is a stripe on one side and a check on the other side. It has stretch in both directions. It's like there's 2 layers, but there's only one. It's pretty cool. Again, $14.99, cotton poly. This is a cotton poly. This is a like a little puckered stitch. It's very pretty. It's a navy. We had a black like it, and this is all black's gone. This is all we've got left of the navy. But it's a great piece, cotton poly. This is a viscose, 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It's a little navy white rib. Just perfect for spring. Navy's all over the place. It's just cute as can be. Whatever you do with it, stripes, you know, they are the thing. $14.99, great price on that. And again, only today. And then this is a solid navy. It has stretch in one direction only, but it's 100% viscose. Again, $14.99, I'm sorry. We've argued in the store whether this was black or navy, and I'm still not sure which. But anyway, there's not much of it left, so the argument will soon cease. And it's a beautiful black or navy. It's very dark, floral. Even the back, you can't really tell. But anyway, there's that little bit left, and that's at $14.99. So the goal, you know it. It's happy sewing at Silhouette Patterns.